Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Egg salad, history, recipes, and tips for the perfect bite. Egg salad has earned its spot as a timeless favorite. It's simple to make, endlessly versatile, and loved worldwide. Whether you enjoy it on sandwiches, with crackers, or as a side, its combination of creamy texture and rich flavor is hard to resist. From classic recipes to versions with regional twists, there's something comforting yet exciting about this dish. Ready to explore everything egg salad has to offer? Let's dive in. The origins and history of egg salad. Egg salad isn't just a lunchtime classic, it's a dish steeped in history. To truly appreciate its creamy, flavorful appeal, it's worth understanding where it all began, how it developed, and why it continues to thrive in kitchens worldwide. Historical roots of egg-based dishes. Eggs have been a dietary cornerstone for thousands of years, thanks to their availability, affordability, and nutritional value. Ancient civilizations, like the Romans and Egyptians, often incorporated eggs into their meals. While these early recipes didn't resemble the salads we know today, they laid the foundation. In medieval Europe, eggs were mixed with herbs, spices, and other ingredients to create hearty, filling dishes. Think of them as the ancestors of modern-day egg-based recipes. Over time, these combinations evolved, influenced by regional tastes and culinary innovations. The concept of salads, which initially meant a dish dressed with salt or vinegar, began to blend with these egg creations, paving the way for what would eventually become egg salad. Emergence of egg salad in Western cuisine. Egg salad as we know it started to take shape in the late 19th century. In Western countries, mayonnaise became a staple ingredient in home cooking, and it was only a matter of time before someone combined it with chopped hard-boiled eggs. Simple and satisfying, this mixture was popular in homes, tea rooms, and diners. By the early 20th century, its convenience made it a favorite for sandwiches and light meals. Egg salad sandwiches became a common sight at picnics, in lunchboxes, and on diner menus. The recipe's beauty lies in its adaptability. You could add celery, mustard, paprika, or any number of ingredients to make it your own. Home cooks and chefs alike embraced the dish for its versatility. You could scale it up to feed a crowd or keep it simple for a quick, protein-packed meal. During tough economic times, such as the Great Depression, egg salad was a practical choice, a filling, affordable option when budgets were tight. Egg salad's role in modern cuisine. Fast forward to today, and egg salad is still going strong. In fact, it's found new life in modern culinary trends. Whether you're following a low-carb plan or aiming to up your protein intake, egg salad ticks the right boxes. Many enjoy it wrapped in lettuce leaves as a bread-free alternative or paired with avocado for a trendy health boost. It's gluten-free, customizable, and easy to prep ahead of time, qualities that resonate with busy lifestyles and diet-conscious eaters. Egg salad also thrives in today's nostalgia-driven food culture. Think back to the sandwiches you packed for school or the ones your parents made for weekend lunches. This connection to simple, comforting meals keeps egg salad fresh in our hearts. At its core, egg salad is more than just a recipe, it's an edible time capsule. It reflects changing tastes, lean times, and contemporary preferences while staying undeniably familiar. So, next time you scoop up a bite, remember, you're not just eating lunch. You're savoring a piece of culinary history. Ingredients of an egg salad, beyond the basics. Egg salad may seem simple at first glance, but its ingredients can create a balance of flavors and textures that make it truly crave-worthy. While the classic recipe holds its own as a lunchtime staple, adding your own twist opens up a world of possibilities. Let's explore the essential ingredients, creative extras, and how to modify this dish for any diet. Classic ingredients and ratios. At its core, egg salad combines a few straightforward ingredients. These create a creamy, tangy, and slightly savory flavor profile that's incredibly satisfying. Here's what you'll typically find in a traditional egg salad. Hard-boiled eggs, the foundation. Most recipes use a ratio of 2 eggs per serving, diced or roughly chopped for texture. Mayonnaise, this is the glue that holds everything together, providing creaminess. A general guideline is about 1 to 2 tablespoons per egg. Yellow mustard adds a tangy kick and depth of flavor. 1 teaspoon per 2 eggs is a good starting point. Salt and pepper, essential for enhancing the flavors. Adjust to taste. Optional classic touches, a bit of celery for crunch, paprika for color, or a splash of vinegar for brightness are often added. Sticking with these simple ingredients keeps the egg salad timeless and dependable. Whether you're spreading it on bread or scooping a bite from a bowl, it's comforting in its reliability. Creative additions to elevate flavor. If you want to spice things up, consider mixing in new ingredients to suit your taste. These creative extras can take your egg salad from good to unforgettable. Fresh herbs. Dill brings a grassy, slightly citrusy touch. Chives adds a mild onion flavor for a subtle zing. Parsley, a fresh, clean flavor that pairs beautifully. Crunchy additions. Red onion, finely diced, for a sharper bite. Sweet or dill pickles, chopped, for a tangy sweet contrast. Bell peppers or radishes, diced, for added crispiness. Flavor boosters. A teaspoon of horseradish for heat. Smoked paprika to bring a smoky, warm note. Capers or olives for a briny edge. Alternative dressings. Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise offers a tangier, lower fat option. Add a splash of olive oil and lemon juice for a lighter, Mediterranean-inspired salad. Dijon mustard for a more complex, subtly spicy flavor. Even a small addition can make a big impact. These tweaks are easy to test out, and the variety keeps the dish exciting. Dietary modifications and substitutions. Egg salad is versatile enough to cater to a wide range of dietary needs. Whether you're vegan, gluten-free, or experimenting with cleaner eating, there's a version for you. Vegan substitutes. Replace the eggs with crumbled tofu or chickpeas. Tofu mimics the creaminess of eggs, while chickpeas provide a hearty texture. Use vegan mayonnaise or mashed avocado for the dressing. Add a sprinkle of black salt, kala namak, to replicate the eggy flavor. Low carb or keto. Skip the bread and serve your egg salad in lettuce wraps or halved avocados. Add high-fat, low-carb ingredients like bacon crumbles or shredded cheese. Dairy-free. Stick to mayonnaise-based recipes, ensuring your mayo doesn't contain milk products. Check for non-dairy Greek yogurt if you're substituting the mayo. Gluten-free. Egg salad itself is naturally gluten-free, but be mindful of what it's served with. Use gluten-free bread or crackers as a safe alternative. Adapting egg salad for different diets allows everyone to enjoy it without sacrificing flavor. With a few simple swaps, this dish remains approachable yet entirely customizable. From the classics to creative spins and dietary accommodations, egg salad proves its versatility. This humble dish can be as simple or as sophisticated as you want it to be, and that's what makes it a staple worth revisiting. How to perfectly prepare egg salad. Creating the perfect egg salad isn't just about tossing ingredients together. It's about balancing flavors, choosing the right ingredients, and paying attention to texture. With a bit of care and technique, you can go from a so-so salad to a dish that's creamy, flavorful, and impossible to resist. Let's break down the process. Choosing the right eggs. The quality of your eggs lays the foundation for your egg salad, so it's important to make smart choices here. Freshness matters. For the creamiest texture and best flavor, always opt for fresh eggs. Fresh eggs have firmer whites and yolks, which boil and chop more cleanly. If you're unsure about freshness, do the water test. Place an egg in a bowl of water. If it sinks, it's fresh. If it floats, it's time to toss it. Egg variety. If possible, go for organic or pasture-raised eggs. These tend to have richer, brighter yolks and a deeper flavor profile. They aren't required for great egg salad, but if you're aiming for something extra special, they're worth considering. Size selection. Larger eggs might mean slightly more yield, but consistency is what's key. Stick to one size, medium or large, for even results across your batch. By choosing the best eggs, you set the stage for a salad that's rich in flavor and creamy without feeling heavy. Boiling eggs perfectly. Perfectly boiled eggs are the backbone of a great egg salad. Here's a step-by-step guide to achieve eggs that are easy to peel, fully cooked, and ideal for this dish. Start with cold water. Place your eggs in a saucepan and cover them with cold water, about an inch above the eggs. Starting cold ensures even cooking. Bring to a boil. Over medium-high heat, bring the water to a rolling boil. Once boiling, remove the pan from heat and cover with a lid. Let them sit. For egg salad, aim for a yolk that's fully cooked but still creamy, not chalky. Let large eggs sit in the hot water for 10 minutes. For medium eggs, go for 9 minutes. Cool quickly. Immediately transfer the eggs to an ice bath, a bowl of cold water with ice. This stops the cooking and makes peeling easier. Let them sit for at least 5 minutes. Peel with care. Gently tap the egg on a hard surface to crack the shell. Roll it under your palm to loosen the shell, then peel under running water to remove stubborn bits. That's it for part 1. Now you know a bit about the history of egg salad. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll be sharing some amazing egg salad recipes and tips to make sure you get the perfect bite every time. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.